Conclusion. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this book. This means you haven't just read another guide. You've immersed yourself in the world of startups, exploring its principles, challenges, and incredible opportunities. Now you are armed with knowledge that will help you not only dream of great success, but also bring it to life. The entrepreneurial journey is not a straight road, but a labyrinth full of turns, obstacles, and unexpected discoveries. We started with the spark of an idea, navigated through the pains of validation, the complexities of team building, the intricacies of funding, and the cunning of scaling. Now that the overall picture has come together, let's take one last step and solidify the main lessons. 10th. First, main lessons and key takeaways. If I had to distill all the wisdom of the startup world into a few key principles applicable to any environment, I would highlight the following. The problem is more important than the idea. Always. Your brilliant idea, however bright it may seem, is worthless if it doesn't solve a real, acute problem for a specific segment of people. We learned how to find pain points, conduct customer interviews, and use an MVP to ensure you are creating what the market truly needs, not just what you think it needs. Don't fall in love with your solutions. Focus on the problem you are solving. Action is more important than the plan. The most detailed business plan is useless if it's not backed by real action. The startup world moves at an immense speed. Testing hypotheses, rapid iterative development, launching an MVP. These are not just methodologies. They are a mindset that allows you to learn by doing, adjust course, and outpace competitors. Don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect product, or the perfect conditions. Start acting right now, and perfection will come in the process. Data is your best friend, intuition is your compass. In the early stages, a founder's intuition plays a colossal role. It allows you to see opportunities where others don't. But as the startup grows, every decision must be backed by data. We discussed metrics like LTV, CAC, MRR, and the importance of continuous monitoring. Data doesn't lie. It shows the real situation and helps make informed decisions, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. Use intuition to find new paths and data to verify their correctness. The team is everything. The most important investment you will make is an investment in people. Co-founders, early employees, mentors, partners, these are the ones who will walk this path with you. We discussed how to choose co-founders not only by skills but also by psychotype, and how to hire the first star employees who share your culture. A strong, cohesive, motivated, and self-developing team is your main asset, capable of overcoming any difficulties. Flexibility and adaptability are keys to survival. The market is constantly changing. New technologies, new competitors, shifting customer preferences. A startup must be a living organism, capable of learning and adapting quickly. If you're too rigid, you'll break. Embrace change and pivot when necessary. The customer is the center of your universe. Everything you do should be aimed at solving problems and satisfying the needs of your customer. From the first idea to after-sales service, customer centricity must permeate all your activities. Satisfied customers are not only a source of revenue, but also your best marketers, who will recommend you to others. Listen to them, learn from them, create for them. This isn't just theory. These are principles crystallized from thousands of success and failure stories, from the experience of the greatest entrepreneurs of our time. They are your map,